OptoComb 3D scanners by XTIA are based on a unique multispectral laser technology to perform time-of-flight measurements and profile 3D objects with a resolution as high as 1 micrometer. With the 500 kHz acquisition rate of OptoCombs, you can scan your machine tool in seconds and use the 3D data to control your manufacturing process. Leverage the high-accuracy 3D point cloud data to check the positioning of the insert into the holder and visualize tilts and deviations on a microscale. Use fitting tools to measure the insert dimensions, such as the 184 micrometer radius of this insert corner. You can even detect, identify and quantify damages to flank and rake faces before they affect your manufacturing process, built-up edge, chipping, flank wear, crater wear, and many more 3D microdefects and variations of your tool inserts. Find out more about inline 3D metrology and Quality 4.0 at XTIA.global.